What is up, guys? I'm here with Matt Chu, and tonight we're going to be testing a new set of headlight bulbs for my NB Miata, made by NAO. They're LEDs.
We're going to see how they compare to Quinn's AutoZone Special Sylvania Silver Stars. So stupid.
Let's do this. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. I'm going to hand Matt my trusty pocket knife, and with the utmost precision, he's going to make his very first incision into the shrink wrap. Like a surgeon. Ninja style. So let's talk a little bit about the overall packaging here. It's a very nice semi-gloss, semi-flat black box. Ooh, some black foam, looks fancy, very fancy. We have some card here. Brighten your way with NAO. Oh, look at this. Are you happy? Tell your friends and family. Share your buying experience with NAO by writing an honest Amazon review. And if you're not happy, look at that. They even put rain clouds, as if it rained on their parade. We would appreciate if you give us a chance to address your concerns indirectly. There's a little bit of a grammatical error there, but I commend this company for being there to support their customers if they're not satisfied. That's great business practice.
Good packaging.
So what do we got here, Matt? Looks like we got some headlight adapters, because these are H4 style bulbs.
Should we just plug and play?
This thing looks gigantic. But I will say this, I'm not a big proponent for a lot of crap in the engine bay, which is why I never really add HID kits to my cars, because I don't want igniters and ballasts and just other wiring, and you'll see why in a moment, because I keep a pretty clean and tidy ship in my engine bays. But I like the idea of this because it just plugs right in to my stock pigtails or harness, whatever you want to call it, and that's all that there is. It doesn't add a whole bunch of fluff. So we'll install this, and we'll do a little side-by-side to show you how these stack up against my good old trusty budget-friendly Sylvania Silver Star, Sylvania Silver Star light bulbs.
All right, let's install one.
So step one is open the hood. So this is what I was talking about. I don't like a lot of crap in the engine bay. But here is our headlight bulb plug. There's two prongs that you pinch on the sides. Unzip, pull back. Right there, which I already look like I'm pulling the headlight bulb out a little bit. And we're gonna remove this rubber sleeve guy to give us access to the prongs, or the pins, springs that hold it in, which I pulled them off in the process. Oh, it's already popping out. Okay, here we go. It was penetrating through the rubber here. So the installation of these headlights is just slightly different versus your traditional, where your traditional will go into the headlight housing, where you would run the cord through the rubber seal boot here. With these ones, we're actually going to take this clip off in the front, and then we're going to insert this through the rubber boot. And then we're going to take this guy right here and push it on like that. So now this is how it's going to orient itself in the car, but to put it in the car, we're actually just going to install the ring itself with the spring clip on it, have this in the car and clamp down, and then we're just going to press this in from the back, and it will seal like so.
And here's a comparison facing the headlights themselves. The driver's side having the LED bulbs, and the passenger side has the Sylvania Silver Stars. Here's a comparison of the two headlight bulbs. The LED bulbs are on the left side, and the Sylvania Silver Stars are on the right. Pretty good difference.
All right, guys, so there you have it. They definitely are brighter than the Sylvanas that they're replacing. Sylvanias. I'll get it right one of these days. One thing to note is that they do have built-in fans and heat sinks, so they do run and you hear them. But other than that, they have kind of like a bluish whitish hue to them. They look pretty elegant, so we'll see how they are. Hopefully when I'm ripping some back roads in the middle of the night, I will have a little bit more sight lines and can see some forest creatures before they see me. So
Yep. Just make sure you follow the instructions.